Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.18%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.64% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund, ETF, is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.55% change expected over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 12.13% to 19.91%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 37.18% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 23.02% to 39.41%. This would result in a price range of $503.59 to $570.67 after 1 year. Our latest update for QQQ reveals that the ETF price ended at $409.35 on Thursday, marking a gain of 0.208%. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 11, 2024, the QQQ ETF price increased from $408.50 to $409.35, representing a gain of 0.208%. This is the 5th consecutive day of gains for the ETF. We'll be eagerly watching to see if this upward trend continues or if there is a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $404.24 and a high of $411.20, with a range of 1.72%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -0.52%. Notably, volume has increased alongside the price on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. Furthermore, there were 18 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 51 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $20.84 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $412.92, while the lowest price was $273.74. Currently, the price is 0.86%, or $3.57, below the 52-week high of $412.92, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support from the lines at $402.84 and $399. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. The volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been observed, which might impact the short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and the stock has fallen by -0.522% since then. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots also show a sell signal 11 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has some important ones to consider. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $359.97 and $354.60. It's crucial to keep in mind that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of QQQ, the next support levels would be at $359.97, followed by $354.60 and $343.66. QQQ generally exhibits controlled movements and offers good liquidity, making the overall risk quite low. Over the last day, the ETF had a range of $6.96 between its high and low, equivalent to 1.72% movement. Looking at the last week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 1.39%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a lack of optimistic expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued. This, in turn, might present a potential opportunity for buying. Today, we're going to delve into the potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for QQQ, which sits at $409.52. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're currently holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, QQQ faces its first support level at $359.97. Should this support level hold, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $393.29, representing a decrease of 3.92%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 10 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level of the QQQ ETF could present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. However, our analysis of volatility and recent market movement suggests that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, January 12th, we anticipate that the QQQ ETF will open down by $1.09, starting trading at $408.26. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. It's crucial to carefully consider the information and take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to hear about your target for the ETF. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's dive into the stock analysis for today. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.